moving, loaded, all set. Racing just started. We have win lane break quickly at the start, moving upon the outside. Mr. Godfather, then followed over by City of Dreams. Next on line is Nice and Easy. Then followed over now by Flavor of the Month, Formidable Ella, Interceptor, Special Blend, down on the inside, Smile and Joy, Be Faithful. Next on line is Paminsan Minsan, and going along for the first turn, we have Win Lane, maintaining a length and a half lead, moving upon the outside now is City of Dreams to take the lead. Down into this Mr. Godfather. Next on line is Nice and Easy, Formidable Ella, Flavor of the Month, Interceptor, Smile and Joy. Then followed by Premier Edition, Be Faithful comes next. Paminsan Minsan, Alice's Choice, and on the outside is Special Blend, while Super Doc is racing in 14th. And at the far turn, we have City of Dreams maintaining a length and a half lead. And on the outside now comes Winland. And here comes Nice and Easy. One of the long shots now closing in. Next on line is Formidable Ella, Flavor of the Month, Interceptor as they swing for home. City of Dreams, one of our long shots, is still in command, maintaining a length and a half lead. Winland is on the outside with about 100 meters of the race. City of Dreams, Winland is on the outside, and on the other outside comes Nice and Easy. City of Dreams, Winland, City of Dreams, and finally it's a close finish between City of Dreams and Winland.
Close finish tayo din sa ating huling karera between Win Lane and City of Dreams.
Yes, at meron nga tayong photo para sa first between 1 and 8. No?
Masusubukan.
Masyado nakita yung buong datingan natin ng Super 6. Anyway, yung ating quarters, 18.5, 25, 25.5, 29. 1 minute 37 seconds flat ang preba ng entry number nung ating race number 8. Unang papasok, syempre, mababa numero.
Siyempre.
1, with Dan L. Camanyero. Camanyero.
Aba.
Number 8.
Ano to?
Bali, magpinsan.
Nagpinsan.
Isa naman, Edie Camanyero Jr. Yung isa, Dan L. Camanyero.
Slow mo tayo, slow mo.
Sige. This slow-mo replay is brought to you by Catialis Ointment and Medicated Soap. Para sa kutis na totoong malinis, makinis at walang skin disease, gamitin lagi ang Catialis.
Tignan natin kung lumampas o hindi.
Ito, mas clear dito kung itong ating photo for
Head
first na to.
bobbing.
Tuloy lang, direct, para makakuha natin yung ating Super 6. 14, tercero. Tapos,
Yung isa sa
Dicasina,
balya, tapos 12 yung,
Interceptor yun.
12 yung quinto.
Interceptor, at saka si Flavor of the Month. Para sa inyong Super 6, it will be 11.
Okay.
Formidable Ella.
8-1 or 1